Stop by and take a look at the 2025 Forester. The Subaru Forester is a sensible, practical, and affordable vehicle. It has an impressive, comfortable ride and handles well. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, stability control, all-wheel drive, lane departure warning, LED headlights, Bluetooth. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.